Hello actors, Sean Perez here from Q&Agent, and I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to put in your full body slate shots in with your talking to camera slate shots. So I'm going to share my screen so you can have a look. I use iMovie to edit my self-tapes. Now, this here is my scene, and here is my talk to camera. Here is my full body, okay? So I will film my full body vertically, whether this is on your phone or your camera or your DSLR, whatever you use to shoot. The full body will be head to toe so you can see. Now, what you want to do is you want to bring this above your talking slate, okay? And that will do that, okay? It'll overlay it on top of your talking slate. Here, you're going to adjust it for split screen. And that's going to put it into its own frame while your talking clip gets adjusted to the side, okay? And then you can adjust this accordingly. Now, because I have at the beginning myself setting myself up, we can edit that out, get myself into frame. And we can adjust that to the beginning or wherever you want to put it. Okay, so we can put it here. Then if we play it, so this is the end of my scene.
Hey guys, my name is Sean Perez. I'm represented by Sean Michael Management. I am 5'7" and I am located in Sydney. I have no competitive commercials and no restrictions on any of the dates.
So as you can see, you can put it really wherever you want, and iMovie will
Hey guys, my name is Sean
automatically do it for you.
Hey guys, my name is Sean Perez.
That's probably your cleanest transition there. You could probably do it this way too.
And no restrictions on any of the dates.
Yeah, so hopefully that helps you guys, and if you have any questions, let me know.